Hello everyone, welcome back. And you're watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I will show you how to fix keyboard invisible when renaming folder on iPhone and iPad after the updating of iOS. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get latest video notifications. Let's start the solutions. We start from basic. The first and basic method is turn off and turn on your iPhone. For that, first we have to go to Settings and tap General. Scroll down and tap Shutdown. Drag the slider to power off. Wait for a couple of minutes and turn on your iPhone. Now we go for solution number 2. Check the latest version of iOS. To check that, first launch settings and connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection. Then tap General and tap Software Update and update your iPhone if update is available. Solution number 3. Force restart your iPhone. To force restart iPhone, press Home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. And also, depend on your iPhone model to force restart. Solution number 4. Reset all settings. For that, first launch settings, tap General and tap Reset. Now tap Reset all settings, iPhone passcode required, and tap again Reset all settings to confirm your action. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.